Hey mathematicians, this is a commonly missed question I'm noticing when I look at your feedback, and it's about calculating the median of the data displays. And so we're talking about median here, and like we have said before, median is middle. So if you think about, you know, a when you go to the Zanes, you've got a small drink, an in-between drink, and a large drink. And this one we call medium, otherwise known as the one in the middle. So median is middle. So when we're finding the median in this case, if we look at this diagram, I like to think about what it is. If you have this one, you have this is a cookie. There it is. Cookie has no chocolate chips. And then there's two cookies here. And each one of these chocolate, they have two chocolate chips. Yum. And this cookie, there's nothing with, I'm sorry, they have one chocolate chip. Oh, go back to these things. Here we go. There's the two, and they both got one number of chocolate chips. There we go. And then we have nothing with two chocolate chips. So don't exist any chocolate or cookies that have two chocolate chips, but we do have one that has three. So this one's got three, and nothing with four. So we say this, but there's a five one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then no cookies with 6 chips in them, but there's 2 cookies with 7. So I'll draw 2 and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then wow, 3 cookies. These are the money cookies with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's really what's going on. You can imagine a counter full of these cookies. And if maybe you don't like chocolate, this is the one for you. But we're just like, well, there's one. We can start ascribing values to the chocolate. This one has 0. This one has 1. This one has 1. This one has 3. This one has 5. This one has 7. And this one has 7. And then these ones have 8 chocolate chips. So really what we're asked to do is find the median of these numbers, the middle one. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chocolate chips. So there's going to be 5 and 5 on each side. So we could kind of split it and say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, split 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once we get to this point, we know that there's 5 over here, 5 cookies over here, and 5 cookies over here. So our median is in between 5 and 7. 5 chocolate chips and 7 chocolate chips. So what would be the number in between 5 and 7? Kind of seems like 6. Because if you take these, you're like, well, what's between 5 and 7? It's going to be 6. So funny enough, our median is 6 chocolate chip, choco latte chips. Even though there's not a 6 cookie up here. There does not actually exist a cookie with 6. The median, what we'd say the middle value of chocolate chips, which is kind of a way we measure the center, we'd say there's actually, we'd say about 6 chocolate chips is the median of this batch, even though there doesn't exist a 6 cookie. That's weird, but that's sometimes how we make sense of data. Sometimes it doesn't actually make concrete sense in the fact that we have 6 chocolate chips, but I think we could agree that 6 is kind of a nice middle value. It divides these into 5 cookies, and this is 5 cookies, and that division line, whoops, I missed one right there. This division line is kind of the middle value. So anyways, I hope that helps. Keep the questions coming, and if you do have questions, just give me a clip shot, and I will take a look at them and answer them here.